good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome to the Bear Show. And today we will have a unboxing of a kit. And this unboxing is requested by Sir Dacosa Perez. Yes, and this is our we will unbox the entry grade from the Gundam Build Metaverse, your La Gundam. And this Gundam is an entry grade, okay? But still in a size of a 1:144, and its grade is entry grade, okay? And it's La Gundam in English, but in Japanese it's called Ra Gundam because they cannot pronounce the L, so we'll have that as R. So it's Ra Gundam in Japan, but in English it's La Gundam, okay? So much for that. Let's go with first on the box, and we can see the illustration of the La Gundam itself, and then this is very interesting because it's an entry grade. It says there's no glue, no tools, and it is color plastic and color separated. But yeah, I don't know if we still need a sticker or not, but yeah, we'll see that what will be the things that is inside on this kit. Okay, let's go at the side. Here you can see there. Yeah, that's how the integrate high quality integrate Gunpla model with easy to build construction. You don't even need a tool, but yeah, I will need a tool for this to have it more cleaner build. So you can see there, it's hollow, and then there will be some colored parts already. See, and this is the part which is the unpainted state, no panel line, and also I think we still need to paint because as I see there, that vent down there should be yellow right here. Yeah, so we'll paint that in yellow on our build. Okay, so that's the front and the back part, and then we can see here it's one of the Beam La Naginata, which is the weapon of our La Gundam. And here you can see there the shield and the beam rifle, or the Beam La rifle and the La shield, and then middle from Negata type before and first can be reproduced with selecting parts. Okay, so yeah, that's the backpack. So the side here, that's the same with the front part. And then here, yeah, that's the rear and the front part of our La Gundam, and yeah, that's where it comes from the Gundam Build Metaverse. And yeah, that's it. So let's go at the back and let's open this. Let's go. Okay, so now we have our instruction manual. As you can see, that's the front, okay, and then back, and then yeah, this is the colored parts. These are the colored parts. I will let you see first the colored parts. Yeah, let's see. Okay, and then next at the black and white parts. Okay, still, nice, very nice instruction. I think we can do this faster, just maybe because yeah, you know me guys, that I want to have more detail on my kit, so maybe I will more time on detailing the kit. And yeah, okay, so much for that. Let's go to the packs. How many packs we have? We have here some instructions, yeah, just how to build it. Okay, next let's count the packs. 1, 2. We only have 2 packs here, and now we will open the packs. Let's go. Okay, so now let's count how many runners we will have. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's no stickers. Yeah, I'm excited for this. Okay, and we're back, and we have here our first runner. Yeah, alphabetical. So we'll have your A1, A2, and we have an A3. And your A4. So there are 4 A's, but they are connected to each other. So it's your A1, A2, and then A3 and A4. So in A1, you can see there that it's the yellow parts and some of the inner parts of our La Gundam and the chest part also. And then the A2 is, I think it's still on the chest and the backpack, except for the backpack. Inner parts also, the manipulators or the hands. And then some the red. The red is nice, man. Not so red, but I really like the red. Okay, so the waist part, and then all that, I think it's also for the waist. Okay, so for the joints, which is, I think this will be the connection for our legs. Okay, so now at your A3 and A4, you can see there's the rifle, the beam La rifle, the sight for the rifle, and then some of the inner parts, and then the sole of our La Gundam. Okay, so that's your A1, A2, A3, A4. So yeah, let's go to our next runner. Let's go. Okay, for the next one is your B1. Yeah, it's B1. Okay, so the B1 is the white part, which this is the one that really needs a panel line, okay, and some details. Okay, so for your B1, you have here the head, the V-fin, the arms, the shoulder armors, maybe the side skirts. Yeah, I think this for the legs, or yeah, also, and then this for the feet, the what you call this one, the I think it's the armor for the joints and the legs, and then this one, the on the knee. Yeah, and as you can see, it's very like of the RX-78-2, because yeah, La Gundam is also based on the RX-78-2. Okay, so that's your B1. So let's go to our next runner. Let's go. Okay, last but not the least, but this is the last one. This is your runner D. So we have B1, but we don't have B2, and we don't have a C, but we will have a D. Okay, but I saw here why it's a D, because this is the real head frame of our La Gundam. The first one that we see on the B1 is not. I think it's from the RX-78-2. Okay, so this is the real V-fin, the skirting armors, yeah, the knee part, the shield, very nice. Then the backpack, I think there will be the used to be as the backpack, should be the backpack they will use, and then some of the shoulder armors also. So the B1 has more of the RX-78-2's entry grade parts. So yeah, and then the Naginata, yeah, that's the Naginata beam, and then the head, I think just the clear part on the forehead of our La Gundam. Okay, so that's our runners. Okay, so that is our unboxing of our La Gundam, and I'm so happy to build this, because it's Sir Dakosa Perez choose this one to be built next, because it's an integrate, man. It will not be very stressful, and it's a Bandai, it's not a bootleg. So yeah, I'm happy for it. Yeah, I will build this. I don't know if it's fast. I don't know if it will have 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 lives for this, but yeah, we'll have a live build for this, and after for the live build, we'll have the unboxing videos we're doing right now. So if you see the unboxing today, maybe not maybe, but the live was ended already. Okay, so next will be your Gunpla showcase and review. Okay, so I've already merged the Gunpla showcase and review, because I will put my inputs and some verdict for the judgment for this on the end part of every Gunpla showcase and review. Okay, so that's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button for our next video. Okay, so see you, and yeah, when I see you, I also post this on my community. So yeah, just go there and find it. Let's go. Bye bye.